is to really put an end to these abusive contractors of national government agency not following rules and regulations and existing laws.
Kaya ako lang natanong yan kasi doon si BPM, mga LGU,
Sinabi na
hindi nila alam na may project pala doon sa lugar nila. Napaka ang laki-laki deal.
Pati governor, napanood ko eh. Na-shock din siya. Hindi rin yung isang governor na panood. Hindi rin niya.
Ay, ginagawa niya dahil tumama yun dito.
Saka don't get me wrong, Pat. We will approve. When it is, wala mo problema eh. Kahit yung buwis, aprobahan namin, kung papakinabangan ng tao.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Mayor. Denise Sancho from 1PH, Signal TV. Confirm ka lang, Mayor, alam ko this is still under investigation, pero may idea ba tayo bakit ang dami nakakalusot na ganito na walang permit?
Walang sumigay. Ang malas ng mga kontraktor na yan, nag-iikot ako. I go around. In fact, last Sunday, I confiscated the illegally parked truck above the bridge. Tapos malaman lang ng public. The flood control project pala kayo yan. It was posted in that is, I think, Monday. Monday yata. Sister, sa United Nations Arena, before the Robinson Mall. Imagine mo na. Let's be honest. Anyway, makakapagod lang ng mga mayor. Kakahanap ng hanap. O ngayon, we'll start charging cases against that. And I hope by this time, yung mga involved ay dapat tingnan ng, let's just say in this case, let's just say DPWH, dapat tingnan ng DPWH para ma-blacklist naman ito mga to. How can agencies of government tolerate these contractors to participate in bidding without complying to basic requirements of law? For sure, yun din ang tanong ng bayan.
Mayor, related naman sa Sulog Abog, kamusta na po yung ongoing project?
Sira pa rin. Nakakaawa yung mga taga-Sulog Abog. And it costs the city, I know, not only the city, the people of this country cost the taxpayers money, about mga 700 million on a less than 500 square meter facility. Shangri-La yata pinayun.
Sir, sorry, just going back. From TV5. Sir, you mentioned kanina dun sa mga per district na flood control project. So, District 3, if I got it right, 4.3 billion. So, isa po dun sa pinaka malaking allocation ng budget for flood control.
We'll furnish you the copy.
But Mayor, since district po ito ni Congressman Joel, is he gonna be part of the investigation, and meron na rin po ba tayong coordination with him because it's part of his district, and pati sir yung mga contractor po na walang permit na nakalusot?
Again, once and for all, this is the right due course as per suggested by our city legal officer, Attorney Luz. Go after those directly violated, then later on we'll see if there is somebody else who are involved. Kumbaga sa riding in tandem, nahuli mo yung driver, yung gunman, nakatalon, nahuli mo yung driver, doon matutuntun na natin kung nasaan yung gunman. Sort of saying, I mean, metaphorically speaking, this is the right course. We've been discussing all these things so that no politics will be involved. Kasi ayoko rin i-pollute yung damdamin ng taong bayan o ang taong bayan ay magkaroon ng confusion o politika and so on and so on. Now, who violated? Clear violation, blatant violation, and blatant disregard of the law, rules and regulation should be subject to criminal and civil charges. In this case, yung mga kontrakto. Yan, sa kanya sila. We'll see. Again, I'll cross the bridge when I get there. But I told you, no holy cow.
So, last question.
Okay?
Last question. Wala na?
Ana?
Maraming salamat guys.
Okay, mag-ingat kayo. We'll update you on the proper cases filed today. We'll send you copies of it for general consumption and the copies of these documents, as you have been asking also, for purposes of clarity and guidance of everyone. Again, to our friends in the media and the bloggers who are here, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for helping us communicate the course of action of your city government. So, binawa ng Diyos, pagtagumpay tayo at panagutin natin ang mga taong umabuso sa mga pasilidad at pagawaing bayan, pondo ng bayan sa lungsod ng Manila. Magandang araw at pagpalain nawa kayo ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat.